The world is changing. Radio is evolving. For more than a century, radio has been the voice of our society. Voices and music have set the rhythm of our lives. Broadcasts mark their time. Radio has survived through the ages while remaining the relay of a world in perpetual change. The world is changing. Radio is innovating. With new technologies, radio has adapted to our new behaviors and lifestyles. As a medium of mobility, radio has become a multi-platform, accessible to everyone and everywhere.
The world is changing. Radio connects. When events change, our daily lives and habits are turned upside down. We have to adapt. Radio provides us with multiple services to exchange, inform, connect. On this World Radio Day, UNESCO and your local station are committed to ensuring that radio continues to evolve, innovate and connect. New world, new radio. For more information, www.worldradioday.org.
I am both unique and multifaceted.
I can both inspire
and divide,
I resemble you
and unite you.
I highlight difference
and am enriched by you all.
I am of all colors and cultures,
visible
as well as invisible. I am a bond between you.
I am diversity.
I am radio.
We are diversity.
We are radio.
On this World Radio Day, UNESCO and your local radio station are committed to ensuring that diversity is always at the heart of radio. For more information, www.worldradioday.org.